Welcome back, guys, to another video. And in today's video, as you can see right here, we are reviewing the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. So let's get started. This is obviously the Magic Keyboard with the Numeric Keypad and Touch ID, as you can see right here. So we have the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID and Numeric Keypad with Thunderbolt Type-C, USB-C. So obviously we have the new version, and I got the black keyboard, as you can see right here, which I paid $230 with this here in Phnom Penh. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, we have a pull tab over here. Let's pull that right now. Very nice, and very nice. Just like all the other pull tabs for other Apple devices. Let's pull this out, firmly like this. Not the smoothest slide, but there you go. That is the keyboard, and this is the box. I'll put the box down here. And here is the keyboard itself in the black keys right here. So let me get this out and move it aside. Here we have the black braided cable, as you can see right here, USB-C. And we have the instruction manual for this keyboard, as you can see right here. Magic Keyboard, some compliance, regulatory and whatnot, and the warranty cards. Sadly, we do not get any Apple stickers with this keyboard. Let's move that aside. And here is the keyboard itself. So let's do the quick peel. Very nice. Obviously Apple. And something stuck. Oh, it's just adhesive. There you go. So here is the keyboard itself with the iconic Apple smell. Here's the keyboard itself. Here's the profile, which is very thin. And here we have the black keys with this silver design, I guess, which looks really nice, as it looks like the iPhone 2G on the back. So yes, very nice. And obviously we got Touch ID right here. That's just the button. And yes, everything sounds very good. Let me get the mic quite close. Right here. The mic is here. Very nice. So yeah, this is a very nice keyboard. Like so. And obviously, this is the 2024 variant, as this is the USB-C right here. Something, I am not sure, I'm pretty sure this is the Bluetooth, for Bluetooth connectivity. And here we have the on and off switch right here. So let's flick that on. And we do not have any other lights, so switch that off, as I do not want it to go to pair mode yet. So yes, this is very nice. Sadly, the keyboard does not have any backlight. But for the price you're paying, I do wish there is a backlight, though sadly there is no backlight still. But yes, it is a very nice keyboard. And obviously, squircles, very nice and rounded in Apple's design language. So yes, that is basically the same key layouts and whatnot for the function keys and whatnot. Just that it now has USB-C. So that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.